Welcome to my channel about life. How are you today? I want to show you what is nose. Also I will explain you the functions of nose in sense of smell. Also I will explain you function of nose hairs. Let's go towards the topic. 1. What is nose? The nose is a vital organ in the human face that plays a crucial role in our sense of smell and respiratory system. 2. Formation of nose. The nose is made up of several parts, including external nose. 1. Nostrils, the external openings of the nose. 2. Nasal bridge, the upper part of the nose, formed by the nasal bones. 3. Nasal tip, the lower part of the nose, formed by the nasal cartilages. Functions of the external nose. 1. Air intake, the nostrils allow air to enter the nasal cavity. 2. Filtering, the nostrils and nasal hairs help filter out large particles, such as dust and debris. 3. Protection, the external nose provides some protection to the delicate internal nasal structures. 4. Aesthetic, the shape and size of the external nose can affect facial appearance and individual identity. 5. Smell, the external nose helps direct odors towards the olfactory receptors in the nasal cavity. Internal nose. Nasal cavity structure. 1. Nasal septum, a thin wall of cartilage and bone that separates the two sides of the nasal cavity. 2. Turbinates, long, thin bones that project into the nasal cavity, helping to warm, humidify, and filter the air. 3. Meatuses, passages between the turbinates that allow air to flow through the nasal cavity. Functions of internal nose. Nose's role in the respiratory system. The nose plays a crucial role in the respiratory system, serving as the primary entrance for air into the lungs. Here are its key functions. 1. Air intake. The nose takes in air through the nostrils, which is then filtered, warmed, and humidified before entering the lungs. 2. Filtration. The nose filters out dust, pollen, and other particles from the air, preventing them from entering the lungs. 3. Warming and humidification. The nose warms and humidifies the air, preparing it for the lungs and preventing irritation. 4. Mucus production. The nasal mucosa produces mucus, which traps dust, bacteria, and other particles, helping to prevent infections. 5. Olfaction. The nose is responsible for detecting odors, which is closely linked to the respiratory system. Functions of nose hairs. Nose hairs, also known as nasal cilia or vibrissae, play a crucial role in our respiratory system. Here are their key functions. 1. Filtration. Nose hairs filter out dust, pollen, and other particles from the air we breathe, preventing them from entering the lungs. 2. Trapping particles. The hairs in the nose trap particles, such as dust, pollen, and other debris, preventing them from entering the nasal cavity. 3. Preventing infection. By filtering out particles and pathogens, nose hairs help prevent infections in the respiratory tract. 4. Protecting the nasal mucosa. Nose hairs also help protect the delicate nasal mucosa from irritation and damage caused by particles and debris. Importance of nose hairs. Nose hairs are an essential part of our respiratory system's defense mechanism, helping to 1. Maintain respiratory health. By filtering out particles and pathogens, nose hairs help prevent respiratory problems. 2. Prevent infections. Nose hairs play a crucial role in preventing infections in the respiratory tract. That was the knowledge about nose with very thanks for watching video. God bless you.